Did you know that 79% of people earning online started with zero experience? Yes, you heard that right. No fancy degrees, no prior expertise, just the willingness to start. In today's video, we'll show you how accessible online income really is and how you can dive in today. Hey there! Welcome to the channel, where we break down the world of online income into simple, actionable steps. If you've been dreaming of making money online but feel like you don't have the skills or experience to get started, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you that making money online isn't just for tech wizards or marketing pros. It's for anyone willing to put in the effort. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how you can start earning from the comfort of your home with zero prior experience. Let's break down some of the most accessible online income opportunities. Freelancing. This is your go-to if you have a specific skill: writing, graphic design, video editing, or even social media management. Start small by offering your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Don't worry if you're not an expert. Many clients are looking for affordable help and are willing to hire beginners. As you gain experience, you can raise your rates and build a steady client base. Content creation. If you enjoy sharing your knowledge or creativity, content creation might be for you. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast on a topic you're passionate about. Over time, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For instance, a YouTube channel about home workouts can partner with fitness brands, or a blog about cooking can promote kitchen gadgets. Online courses and ebooks. If you have knowledge in a specific area, consider packaging it into an online course or ebook. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad make it easy to create and sell digital products. Whether it's a course on baking, a guide to budgeting, or an ebook on mindfulness, there's an audience out there willing to pay for your expertise. Dropshipping and e-commerce. For those interested in selling physical products, dropshipping offers a low-risk way to start. With dropshipping, you don't hold any inventory. Instead, you set up an online store, and when a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your store. Affiliate marketing. As mentioned earlier, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income. By recommending products or services you genuinely believe in, you can earn a commission on sales. This can be done through a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. The key is to build trust with your audience and only promote products that offer real value. Now let's look at another success story that illustrates how accessible online income can be. Meet John, a college student who was struggling to make ends meet. He stumbled upon the idea of selling print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases on Etsy. With zero design experience, he used free online tools like Canva to create simple, trendy designs. Within months, his side hustle grew into a full-fledged business, earning him enough to pay off his student loans. John's story shows that you don't need a lot of money or experience to start. What you need is a willingness to learn, adapt, and put in the work. So here's the bottom line. The world of online income is vast and varied, but it's not as intimidating as it seems. You don't need a degree, you don't need a big budget, and you certainly don't need to be an expert. What you do need is the right mindset, a willingness to try, to fail, and to learn. We've covered freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, and affiliate marketing, each a viable path to earning online. The most important thing is to start. You won't get it perfect on day one, but you will get better with every step you take. Now it's your turn. What's holding you back from making money online? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to help you overcome those barriers. And if you're ready to take the next step, make sure to watch my next video, where I'll share advanced strategies for scaling your online income. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your success.